Hello and welcome to G-Lite concept. So today I'm going to teach you how to create an intersected circular logo in Coreldraw. So to do that, first of all, let's pick the rectangle tool. Let's draw it here, something like this. Something like this, yes. So let's pick the shape tool and maybe make the edges curve a little to something like this. And then we'll just rotate it here a little bit to give us something like this. This is okay. Sorry. Let's just rotate it to something like this. Yeah, this is okay. So just right click and you see it this way. So now let's come to our smart fill tool. This is our smart fill tool here. Click on it and let's fill this place with a color of our choice. Okay, that's great. So let's pick the interactive fill tool and try to give some different colors here. So let's give this black and let's give this black also. So just double click here real quick to give us another shape here, which we are going to fill it with this color. And you can see this, we have something good here. We have something great here. So you can just do this to fit based on how you want it to be. Just work on it a little bit. And then there we go. So just click on this and let's keep this at the center here. So now we can just give this and let's say add line of 0.5. Let's change it to white and then let's delete this. Let's delete this and let's delete this. So click on this, then we'll rotate it from here just a little bit, maybe this way, and then we'll right click to drop it there. Then let's continue duplicating. Control D, 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 and there you go. So this is our intersected circular logo. So we can just let's group it and do something really quick with it. Let's just group this and do something really quick. So let's bring it down a little, something like this. And sorry. Let's bring it down. Hold your control key, click it and drag, right click and drop it there. So now let's pick our transparency tool and let's make it transparent here. Something like this. And here you go. This is our circular logo. Let me feed this to page so you can see it very well. This is it, and the full screen of this is this. So thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and always remember to come back for more. Thank you.